Hello everybody, my name is Carlos Bonilla. I'm a student of the National University of El Salvador at English degree teaching option, and today I'm gonna teach you modals and similar expressions. Okay, let's start. When do we use modals? We use modals to express ability, permission, advice, obligation, and possibility. Let's move to the next slide. Well, to express ability, we can use can and could. The structure is this: subject plus modal plus verb plus the complement. And we got some examples here. The first example, using can. You got she, which is the subject, the modal verb, which is can or cannot if it is negative, and the base form of the verb plus the complement. She can't play the guitar, or she cannot play the guitar. Example number 2, using could. As we know, could is the past of can. Okay, could. She could, or could not, or couldn't join to the soccer team last year. Let's move to the next slide. And we can also express ability using be able to. And the structure is the following: subject plus be able to plus the verb plus the complement. Example number 1, she is able to dance ballet. Example number 2, she was able to take the bus on time. Now let's see how to express advice using the following modals: should, ought to, and had better. The structure is the following: subject plus modal plus verb plus complement. And we got 3 examples. Example number 1, you should not use drugs, is a suggestion or an advice we are doing. Number 2, you ought to use sunglasses in summer, or you're gonna hurt your eyes or something. Number 3, you had better or had better not buy that guitar. Let's move to the next slide. For obligations, we can, or necessities, we can use must, can't, and have or have got to. We got some examples here. The example number 1 says, you must or must not go to that place. Example number 2, you can't go to that place. When we use these modal verbs, we are saying that you can't definitely go to that place. It can be, I don't know, it can be dangerous, so you can do it. The structure for have to or have got to is the following: the subject plus have or have to or have got to plus the verb plus the complement. And there are some examples here. Example number 1, they don't have to post photos, or they have got to post photos, or whatever. Then let's move to the, well, you already see this example here. I'm not gonna read it because I have to do it quickly. Okay. For conclusions, we have may, might, could, and can't. Here's the structure. Subject plus modal plus base form of the verb plus the complement. And we got some examples here. We can use all of this. They may not or they may know him. They might know him or might not. They could know him or they couldn't know him. And you can use all the possible answers or something. Okay. And we can also make conclusions using have got to. And we got here, they have to know him, or they have got to know him. If we are using the third person with he or she, we use has. He has to know him, or he has got to know him. Let's move to the next slide. For future possibility, we use may, might, and could. We got the structure here, the subject plus the modal plus the base form of the verb plus the complement. It is almost the same for all the cases. And we got the subject, it, the modals here, and the verb, and also in the complement. It may happen soon. It might happen soon. Or it could happen soon. And if we want to make it in negative, we just add not. We may not happen soon. It may not happen soon. Sorry. And for, well, this is next content. Advisability in the past. Regrets. Well, this is for something that already happened. It's an advice for something that already happened. And we got the structure here. Subject plus the modal plus have plus past participle plus the complement. Example. He should or should not have told her. What? We don't know. We can use all the possibilities here. He ought to or ought not to have told her. He could have told her. She might have told her that. We can use all the possibilities, as I already said, and we can also use the contractions here to make it shorter. Let's move to the next slide to make just no questions. This structure: should plus subject plus have plus past participle plus complement. And we got an example here. Should he have told her? We are making just no questions. For short answers, for affirmatives, we can say yes, he should have. Or for negative, no, he shouldn't have. For WH questions, we got the structure here: WH word plus should plus subject plus the verb and past participle plus the complement. When should he have told her? Let's see here. For speculations and conclusions about the past, for unsolved mysteries or something, we can use all of this: may, might, could, must, and had to. We got the structure here, the grammar structure. We use a subject plus a modal, or had to plus have plus the verb in past participle plus a complement. For example, we can say they may have seen the statues, or they could have seen the statues. We have the contractions here. We can use it to make it shorter. And we got the structure here for questions. I'm not going to explain this because there's no time. And for WH question, here's the structure as well. WH word plus could plus have plus past participle. And we got the example. There's a mistake here, sorry. Who could have built the statues? And we got what could have happened to these people. It's something that we don't know, but we try to guess. And finally, we got some examples here. Some exercise here. You can fill it out. You can pause the video and try to write the right answers. We got the exercise full or modal verbs to express ability, advice, necessity or obligations, conclusions. And for the next topic, advisability in the past, and speculations and conclusions. You can take a look at the structures and try to write the right answer. This is everything for this time. Thanks for watching.